What's up, guys? So the day has finally come. Today I'm having the premiere of City Twist in Leicester Square at Prince Charles Theatre. Very excited. I've been working towards this day for a very long time, year plus. Last night I was so excited I couldn't sleep, so you could see it in my eyes. I'm very tired, but very excited at the same time. So we're heading. Unfortunately, the weather is not with us today. Clearly it's raining really badly. Hopefully that doesn't impact our event. We're expecting around 300 people, which is amazing. I did not expect so much people to book their tickets. I'm overwhelmed, super pumped, super excited. Can't wait to get into my tuxedo and get started. All right, guys, catch you on the other side.